For number 13, we have absolute values on both sides. So if I break this up, this is 3x minus 5 is equal to, again, I want one positive, one negative. So this would be 3x plus 5, and this would be a negative 3x plus 5. So just like the ones with the numbers, we have a positive version and we have a negative version. So if I solve these, if I subtract 3x from both sides here, you'll see that something's going to happen. The variables go away, and we have negative 5 is equal to 5, and that is false. So that's no, well, it's no answer from this branch. That doesn't necessarily mean it's no solution for the entire equation. It just means that from that branch, it's not contributing any answer. So let's go to the other branch. And again, that negative sign, we need to distribute that. So negative 3x minus 5. And then I can add 3x to both sides. And we have 6x minus 5. You may be able to hear some thunder. There's a thunderstorm right now while I'm recording. So then we want to add 5 to both sides. 6x is equal to 0. And then divide both sides by 6, and x is equal to 0. So we have one solution from this other branch. So 0 will work in the original equation, and that'll be the only thing that works in the original equation.